discussion, I would like to remind everyone to be mindful of our classroom rules and to read our classroom rules, please. Okay, so later, before we leave our classroom, I encourage everyone to please do Play-Doh or Clean as you go as there is another section or class that we use our classroom. Okay, so now let's have a short activity. So this short activity is entitled Spot the Unhealthy and Healthy Habits. Okay, so I will show you two pictures and you will spot which of the two is the unhealthy and healthy. Do you understand? Yes. So for the first picture we have, which one do you think is the healthy one? The left picture. What do you think it is first? So, okay, you will update me. Very good. Can you tell me what do you think caused this?
I think sa tingin ko yung nasa right side ko ang nag-cause po na is
Yung charger ko. Yung charger na isa dyan.
Business right. Thank you. Second one, we have vegetables and junk foods. Yes. Ano?
I think po yung nasa left ko yung healthy, then unhealthy unhealthy po yung nasa left.
May ask if what do you think is the benefit if we eat healthy?
Alam kasi po yung makagawa natin, and may iwasan po natin yung bata.
Very good. Thank you for that. Third picture is, can you see it, class? The girl is eating processed food while the guy is eating junk food. And on the second picture, there's a group of people who does what? Yoga or who would like to answer which one is the healthy one and the unhealthy? Yes.
So yung healthy po is nasa right side, tapos yung unhealthy po is nasa left side.
Right, that's right. Okay, for the last picture, what do you think does the guy on the left does? What is he drinking? Alcohol, right? So which one is the healthy one? Obviously the one on the right side. Thank you, Benaya. So now, let's proceed on our group activity. Is everyone excited?
Yes,
So this group activity is entitled What Causes Me, okay? So I will group you guys into three, and I will give you a starting with picture sentence with a non-communicable diseases, and you will identify the three causes of it, okay? And I will give you 3 minutes for this, and afterwards you will assign one group member to discuss this in front of the class. Is that clear?
Yes po.
Thank you so much. Okay, so this will be the group 1 up to third. And the group 2 will be Andrew, Lisa, and Thea. You can form a circle. Here's your marker. And you are the group.
Human right.
Parang
1 minute and 40 seconds, guys.
Full motivation.
Once we're done, you can come in front, okay?
Asan yung iba niya? Dalawa ga ako.
1 minute and 12 seconds.
tatapos tayo.
30 seconds lang.
Well, hindi ko pa sana ako kanina.
Dapat pagka meron kayo din activity na kaya ayos na yung mga ano nyo. Scotch tape.
Mag-CCA lang ako saglit. Wala kasing type.
For group 1, 2, and 3, who will be the reporters? Can you please stand in front? Okay. Okay, let's start with group 1. So, reporter for group 1.
So, good morning po. Kami po ang group 1 and we're going to present the problem or the health problem which is asthma.
Class, alam niyo ba itong music na ito?
So, ayan po, yung causes po ng asthma, una po is yung PE class. Siyempre, kapag PE class po, nire-require po tayo na bumala, naging physically active. So, kapag may asthma ka po, hindi ka po pwede sa mga ganong activities. Then, next po,
Sa allergies po, yung mga allergies niyo po na nag-focus po na, kumari po, tawag po kayo ng tao. Ay, ano ba yan? Sorry. Hindi ako ready. Yung allergies po, mga allergies po na biglang mag-focus po ng inyong asthma attacks, ganyan.
then sa intense emotions and feelings naman po, kapag too much po yung feeling natin, feeling of happiness, excitement, or sadness po, or like galit, gano'n, pwede din siyang maka-trigger no, ng asthma.
Okay. Thank you for that group. Well, let's give them a round of applause. Group 2, who will present for the group? Kapag ito eh.
Good morning po, we are group 2, and yung sa amin po is so causes po of diabetes is high sugar intake, and related din po siya sa unbalanced diet. It's maraming sugar ang consume, magiging diabetes syempre. And at the same time, pwede rin po manggaling sa genetics. If may diabetic po sa inyo, kasi ang mamalo niya.
Thank you so much for that. Now let's proceed to the group 3. Who will be the reporter for group 3? What's the report?
Ayun, sa akin naman po cancer, kasi nakaganyan po siya. So, ang causes po ng cancer is yung genes din po, kagaya din sa diabetes. Tapos yung smoking or drinking po, and yung pagkain po ng mga hindi healthy
no? Thank you so much for that. Okay. So after the group activity, why do you think it is important to identify or to be aware of the causes of non-communicable diseases? Okay. Why is it important to be aware of the causes of NCD? Who wants to
Siguro po para next time, ma-avoid din po natin yung mga bagay na yun kasi tayo yung magsasuffer again.
It's like to prevent something to happen. What else last? Why do you think it's important to be aware of the causes of NCD? Yes, sir.
Para hindi po tayo nadilig sa conclusions ko. Or parang yung mga conclusions na sinasabi natin na isang nakilala ng tao which is hindi naman tayo. And nadilig siya na into fake news or fake awareness.
Okay, fake news or fake awareness. Or awareness. Now, how do you describe a healthy lifestyle? Yes, Janelle.
Nag-exercise po araw.
Do exercise every day. That's right. Janelle. Do exercise. What else? Yes, Thea. Yeah. Eating healthy food. Eating fruits and vegetables. So now, what changes can we apply in our daily routine to maintain or improve our health? What do you guys think? What changes can we apply in our daily habits to improve and to maintain and improve our health? Yes, Steve.
Sir, pwede pong iwasan po yung palagi mag-cellphone. Tapos po mas piliin po natin maglakad-lakad sa labas.
Good job. Do walking. It's also a form of exercise. Walking. What else? What else can we do to maintain and improve our health? Yes, Janelle.
Since yung po teacher sa matatabi, siguro babawasan ko po siya para di po ako magalay.
Okay, babawasan yung intake ng lessen the intake of sugar. Lessen the intake of. So now, when we do exercise, eat fruits and vegetables, lessen the intake of sugar, what are we prioritizing?
We prioritize po taking care of ourselves.
Taking care of ourselves. Or taking care of ourselves. Taking of ourselves. Or what? If we take care of ourselves, what are we prioritizing? Yes, Jacka.
Our health.
Yes, that's right, our health. When we do this, guys, we eat vegetables, we exercise, we do walking, lessen the intake of sugar. We prioritize our health. That's right, Gemma. Can we give her a round of applause, Banaya? So now, yes. Teacher, may question po. May friend po kasi ako nagka-crush diet. Healthy po ba? I think no, kasi nag-i-intake pa rin siya ng parang it's not a form of
Chair, may question po. Do you happen to know po if merong statistics or studies po regarding po sa mga Pilipino patungkol po sa non-communicable?
Yes, we will get there in their instruction. Okay. So now, what specific actions can communities or families take to lessen the risk of NCD? Will I repeat the question? Yes. What specific actions can our families or communities do to lessen the risk of NCD? Ano yung pwede nalang matulong? Non-communicable diseases. Ano yung pwede nalang maitulong para malasan natin yung risk ng non-communicable diseases? Yes, Tita.
Sure, sa tingin ko po, sa pagpapanatili rin po ng malinis na kapaligiran. Like for example po, yung mga nag-smoke po sa communities. Pwede po nilang may specific na area lang po kung saan sila mag-smoke, para hindi rin po malaghap ng ibang tao sa community. Especially po yung mga bata, or yung yung mga risk, may mataas na risk po ng mga pwede magkasakit.
That's right. Thank you for that. So now, what daily habits prevent non-communicable diseases, and how does it protect our health? Any other hands?
So, isang po sa mga paraan po para po ma-prevent po namin ang away. Para kapag may sakit po tayo, pwede po tayo mag-stay lang po sa bahay.
We stay sa bahay. What else? Any answers? Anong daily habits yung nakakapag-prevent sa non-communicable diseases? And paano kaya dito napoprotektahan yung kalusugan natin? Would you like to do it? Physical safety. That's right. Tapos nape-prevent niya ang
Add ko lang din po is yung pagkakaroon po natin ng balanced diet and then yung pagkakaroon natin ng enough rest.
balance diet and enough rest. That's all. Would you like to add?
Yung meditation po, para rin po hindi makakapagod kayo na magkakas.
Yeah, that's right. Meditation. I like that answer. Meditation. So now, I guess,
Sir, bali po kaya yung mga video, yung mga teacher natin ay nakakaranas ng mga non-communicable cases. Ano kaya ang possible risk?
I think dahil marami yung workload ng mga Filipino teachers, isang factor yun actually kung bakit mas talamak yung NCG ngayon sa ating okay? So now let's proceed with our discussion, okay? I would like everyone to be attentive, okay? But I will make the learning fun, okay? So we're gonna do. So first is our topic for today, measures and strategies to prevent non-communicable diseases. Can someone read the objectives, please? Who would like to read? Okay, go first.
At the end of an art period, the student should be able to analyze the risks and protective factors of non-communicable diseases, commit to healthy lifestyle to prevent diseases, and formulate measures and strategies to prevent non-communicable diseases.
Thank you so much. So now we're gonna do factor block. But since this is a discussion, there is no wrong or right answer. Okay? Teacher Alisa will correct the statement rather afterwards. Okay? So since there are 8 statements there, I would like everyone to participate and answer. it's love because NCTs are not contagious or hindi siya nakakakawa. Second statement. NCTs usually develop slowly over time. See? And it's a fact. Because it does not develop like agad-agad. Usually, months or years can siya nag-develop. Third statement.
Can you read it out? According to the World Health Organization, NCTs are one of the leading causes of death food.
Yes, it's a fact. Because it's from World Health Organization. Okay? So usually, or common na NCTs is heart diseases, cancer, pero nakikita ko sa internet, nag-circulate siya sa internet na meron ding mga, mas marami yung cases natin ngayon ng chronic kidney disease. And sabi ng mga matatanda na nag-dialysis, pabata ng pabata yung mga dialysis patient. Thank you, Thea. Statement number 4.
Diabetes and cancer are examples of NCTs.
It's in fact because we have talked about it earlier. Thank you, Rizzo. Okay, statement number 5. Can you read it out loud?
Eating too much sugar and salt is not a lead factor for NCTs.
Is it a fact or a fact? Fact. Let's see. It's a vlog because it's actually a risk factor. Diba kanina we discussed na there's diabetes. Statement number 6. Can you please read it out loud? What's the date? It's a date. Yes. Okay.
Smoking and alcohol use. Ano ba yung alcohol use can increase the risk of disease?
Yes, it's a fact. Statement number 7. Go on.
Exercise is no better. Prevent against
That's right. Say love. Exercise is more effective for having love. Kasi love because actually nag-prevent ng pag-exercise yung NCT. Okay. Okay, last statement. Go.
Building parks and promoting clean environments or ways communities can help prevent NCTs.
Yes, it's a fact. So now let's proceed. Do you know this game? Or do you know this? Who's from Scotland? So do you know the mechanics of it?
Yes,
We only have 4 so we're going to start with So you will identify the right ha among the 3 sentences.
NCTs spread medications. NCTs spread through confidence. NCTs develop over time.
Which one is the line?
Letter B.
Letter B. Yeah, that's right. NCT spread through common species. Like what I said earlier, it's not contagious. That's right. Okay, percent number 2. Which one is the line? the prevention action plan. Okay. So, as usual, yung parenting groupings natin is mag-stay siya as it is. But this time, we will create a action plan. So, there are 3 levels. Personal level, family level, and community level. And then after that, you will present it on again sa harapan. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you 3 minutes for this. Can you do that in 3 minutes? 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 10 minutes. Go, go, go. Kasi instructions here, lahat ng group gagawa niyan ha, from personal to community level ha. Okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Dayan.
Thank you. Thank you for everyone and congratulations teacher.